How many fingers do you have on your right palm? 5 fingers. Can you show me your left palm? How many fingers are there? Can you say how many fingers are together? Oh, what have you done? How can you say 10 fingers? By counting. This is called a failure problem strategy. See? 854, 854. Next, 767, 767.
Before coming here, I thought that teaching was a one-man show. Yeah, the teacher is the encyclopedia who will come and try to pour out all his knowledge in the mind of the young one who is sitting in front of me. But the strategy has totally changed. And I feel myself is enhanced and workload has reduced to a great extent. Because after the first day, there is small book, vast system.
Very good experience. Also, even below my students are also follow this strategy. They could able to understand and they never ever forget what we follow this strategy. They never ever forget. 100% I am sure of this.
According to mathematics, always giving problems to the children to solve in their own. Like we will explain one problem related to the topic and rest all we will do their own. Some children will do, some children will add behind it. So by this, already we are following it in the mathematics team. We are giving all the most of the problems to the children itself. And it helped me in one thing that all the children have to read that slow learners or beginners or the players don't mind. We have to make the fair. We have to use teaching strategies more. Since I have learned and I know the 60 strategies are there, it may help us teaching better.
Thank you for first of all, I am very happy for giving us this chance to learn something good. First of all, sir gave us how to make our students employed in another school. If we will impart these teaching strategies, so we will, our students and our children will be employed in some any other person. So this is what I learned and how to make our students better by using our different kinds of strategies.
इसका जिंदगी दे सकता हूँ। इसी तरह अगर 40 बच्चों को नए एक बच्चे को अपन जिंदगी दे सकते हैं, ये सर जिंदगी बदल सकते हैं। एक एक बच्चों को लाकर और उससे जिंदगी बदल सकते हैं। इसी तरह एक जाकर एक से सब लोगों को और कक्षा में हर एक कक्षा का उनके बच्चों को उत्तीर्ण कर सकते हैं और उसका आगे बढ़कर दूसरों के अच्छे उम्दे पद पे जाकर उन्हें कहते हैं ये मेरे रियल मैडम, ये मेरे रियल हीरो है। ये कौन है मेरे रियल हीरो? मीना मैडम है मेरे रियल हीरो।
తప్పించుకుందామని చూసాము, కర్ఫ్యూ తీసుకుని వెళ్తున్నాము, శిక్షగా భావిస్తున్నాము, శిక్షగా తీసుకుని వెళ్తున్నాము. తద్వారా రాయి శిల్పంగా అవుతుంది, శిల్పం దేవత అవుతుంది, దేవత ఈ గురువు విద్యార్థులు భక్తులు. అలాంటి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ స్టేట్ అని ఈ సందర్భంగా చెప్పడానికి ఇచ్చిన కారణం. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి వారము సెలవు వస్తుంది, మనకు అవకాశం దొరుకుతుంది అనేది ఆ ఉపాధ్యాయుల పరిపాటి. కానీ ఎప్పుడు సెలవు వస్తుందా, ఎప్పుడు మీకు కొత్తదనం నేర్పాలా అని మరి కావాల్సిన సమయం కూడా తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ సర్చ్ చేస్తున్నారే వారు. ఏమో తెలియదు, టైం తింటున్నారో మరి పోతున్నారో లేదు తెలియదు. కానీ నాకు కాదు, నాకు తెలుసుకుంటా ఎంతో మంది నుంచి చెప్పాలనే ఆ కుతూహలం, ఉబ్బలాటము, ఆ ఉత్సుకత, ఆ ఉత్సాహము, ఆసక్తి, ఆ ఉబ్బలాటం. సో వాటి స్పెషల్గా
one word I would like to say, I'm very happy to slate Parivar. Very happy ఎందుకంటే డాన్స్ లో కూడా ఇంత నేర్చుకోవచ్చా అని నాకు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాకనే అర్థమవుతుంది. సార్ హాలిడే ఉన్న రోజు క్లాస్ పెట్టాడు, మీటింగ్స్ తప్ప ఎందుకు అనుకుంటూ వస్తా, కాకపోతే ఏదో ఒకటి నేర్చుకున్నా అనే హ్యాపీనెస్ తోటి నేను ఇంటికి వెళ్తాను. అంటే డాన్స్ లో కూడా మాకు ఇంత అవసరమా, ఇంత నేర్చుకోవడం ఎందుకు అనేది నాకు ఇంత ముందు ఉంటాయి. కాకపోతే ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ, ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాల్సి ఉంది అనేది అయితే నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు యువర్ సర్వీస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
You might have gone through one or two teaching strategies today. There are number of teaching strategies. Teaching strategies utter flop if teacher doesn't monitor it. And if there is no difference. Some of our mothers or wives, they tell, today I will make masala dosa, tomorrow ghee dosa. But they say when it comes to the final stage, it will be dosa only. That is what happening to especially all of us high school teachers. We think of creating many types of dosas, but when we go to class, it becomes a normal dosa. We should always have a reminder. Let me ask you a question. What is the difference between bus stand and cycle stand?
Bus stand, all the buses will be outside, cycle stand, cycle stand.
Very good. Bus stand, cycle stand goes with cycle. Bus stand doesn't go with the bus. There is a difference. Okay. So our teaching should have a difference from tomorrow. Whatever we have learned today, especially think, pair and share method can be followed in all subjects. But if it is not monitored, there is chance for 60% of students to waste their time. If they feel that they are not important in the group. Usually answering in the crowd is very simple, you don't need to have much knowledge. Imagine there is a group of 7 students. A person who is intelligent or talkative will take the leadership and he himself does everything. The slow learner or average students will be always left. We think things are happening, thinking, pairing, sharing is happening. So if possible, every day we need to change the leaders of the group, starting with the slow learner if we feel there is anyone.